Let's talk about what happens if you violate a restraining order in Massachusetts. First off, violating a restraining order is taken very seriously. If someone violates the terms of a restraining order, it's not just a slap on the wrist. We're talking about potential jail time here. In Massachusetts, if you violate a restraining order, you could be looking at up to 2.5 years in the House of Corrections. Now, that's a pretty significant chunk of time. The actual length of the sentence can vary depending on the circumstances of the violation and whether it's a first-time offense or if there have been previous violations. For example, if this is your first time violating the order, you might not get the maximum penalty, but you'll still face some serious consequences. On the other hand, if you violated the order before, or if the violation involved any kind of threat or harm, the penalties can be much more severe. It's also worth mentioning that the court doesn't just consider the fact that the order was violated. They look at the specifics of how it was violated. Did you just send a text message, or was there some physical contact involved? The nature of the violation plays a big role in determining the sentence. The important thing to remember is that the restraining orders are in place to protect individuals from harm or harassment. So any violation of such an order is seen as a direct threat to someone's safety, and the courts treat it accordingly. To sum it up, if you violate a restraining order in Massachusetts, you could face up to 2.5 years in jail. The exact penalty will depend on the details of the case, but it's safe to say that the consequences are serious and can have lasting impact on your life.